have no idea what the one is.
No, but we're gonna
Yeah,
give you
we're
credit.
gonna give you
We're gonna
credit,
give you
though.
credit.
All said he needed 2 more, she came
Yeah,
out last
just to
minute with
start,
it.
we only had 10 proxies, so.
Okay, I'm going to start the Judiciary meeting. I'm Senator Bonisic. It is now 4 minutes after 10. I'm here with Jessica Jerry, our counsel. Senator Amador is here, and Senator Combry. We have enough proxy votes. There's many other meetings going on, and that's why if you see that there's not many members at the table, that's the reason why. This will be the last Judiciary Committee meeting for this session. Okay? So, Jess, why don't we get started? The first bill will be Senator Martin's 294A.
This legislation expands the types of abandoned properties that can be declared abandoned by local governments to help alleviate community blight. So it's expanding from just dwellings to real property.
Any questions? Okay, I have motion. Senator Amador, second by Senator Combry. All those in favor, yes, no one opposed. Bill goes now to the floor. Senator Valesky's bill, 624.
This legislation will permit prosecutors to view medical records of mentally impaired victims of financial exploitation, and it doesn't require a waiver from these victims.
Any questions on this?
I voted against this.
Yes, you did. Okay, do I have a motion?
Motion.
Senator Amador. Senator Combry's against it. Anybody else against it? Okay. So we have sufficient votes. This goes to the floor. Next bill by Senator Bonisic, 1606B as in boy.
This legislation provides judicial assistance committees with the same confidentiality of information that currently exists with lawyer assistance committees. And these are for people who have substance abuse issues, health issues, stress, depression.
Yeah. Any questions?
Move to vote.
Okay. By Senator Combry, second by Senator Amador. All those in favor? Nobody opposed. Bill goes to the floor. Next bill is Senator Larkin, 2209.
This legislation amends the Constitution to authorize adding veterans and disabled veterans credits while they're on the existing civil service list.
Okay, this is the start of a constitutional change. Move the bill by Senator Amador, second by Senator Combry. All those in favor, nobody opposed. The bill is passed. Senator Farley, 5502A.
This bill makes technical amendments to Article 9 of the Uniform Commercial Code. We adopted this into the legislature last year, and this fixes a lot of references to law that were mistakes.
Any questions? Move the bill by Senator Amador, Senator Combry.
Second.
Okay, nobody, all in favor, nobody opposed. The bill goes to the floor. Before we continue, I'm glad Senator Farley wasn't here when any questions were asked, because in law school, this kind of area, the Uniform Commercial Code, drives all lawyers nuts. Okay, next bill by Senator Latimer, 6808.
This legislation waives a fee for a certificate of marriage when either of the parties getting married and making the application for it are a member of the active forces, and they're in active duty.
Okay, any questions? All those have a motion? Okay, Senator Combry seconds, all in favor, nobody opposed. The bill now goes to finance. Next one, Senator Bonisic, 7207.
This is an Office of Court Administration bill. This legislation provides that when a notice of default judgment happens and notice is required, a person who did not receive adequate notice, who acts timely and in good faith, can have that judgment vacated and have their day in court.
Okay. Any questions?
Good.
Okay. By Senator Combry, second by Senator Amador. All those in favor, nobody opposed. Bill goes to the floor. Next one. What was it?
7312.
Yeah, 7312. Senator Bonisic.
Yes. This legislation prevents a statement offered against an opposing party from being excluded as hearsay evidence if it's made by a person that the opposing party authorized to make the statement, or the person was acting within the scope of their principal-agent relationship, so a store owner to a store worker.
Any questions? This is an inside baseball evidentiary issue with lawyers. Senator Amador, move the bill, second by Senator Combry. All in favor, Nobody opposed, bill goes to the floor. Next bill is 7604.
This is an Office of Court Administration bill. This legislation gives fiduciaries authority to gain access, manage, and distribute digital assets. That's people's online presence, Facebook, bank accounts. They are currently not protected the same as your tangible property, and it's become an issue in the technology age, and a lot of grieving families are having trouble getting access to their loved ones' accounts after they die.
Okay, any questions? Okay, I have Senator Comrie, second by Senator Amador. All in favor, nobody opposed, bill goes to the floor. Next bill is, what, 7605?
Yeah.
Okay, 7605.
This is an Office of Court Administration bill as well. This legislation provides that restraints are prohibited and must be removed on a juvenile, that's a person under the age of 21, when they enter a courtroom. And this is unless the family court determines that they might be a threat of physical injury or flight. The family court judges asked for this bill.
Okay, any questions? Okay, Senator Amador moves the bill, Senator Comrie seconds it. All those in favor? Nobody opposed, bill goes to the floor. Next bill, 7710 by Senator Bonasek.
This bill clarifies the effective date of a trustee's power to adjust from income from principal. It just clarifies the date on which the transfer is made, because how somebody receives commissions matters whether it's been transferred to income or principal. So this is going to stop some disputes between trustees or co-trustees on where the commission comes from. So it clarifies that.
Any questions? Okay, move the bill, Senator Comrie, second by Senator Amador. All those in favor, nobody opposed, bill goes to the floor. Last but not least, 7779 by Senator Bonasek.
And this bill makes it clear that the party asserting culpable conduct as an affirmative defense bears that burden of proof establishing that defense. It doesn't come from the person who was injured. They don't have to disprove that they didn't have comparative fault.
Okay, again, an evidentiary issue between attorneys. It's a good bill. Senator Amador moves it, second by Senator Comrie. All those in favor, nobody opposed, the bill goes to the floor. It is now 10 after 10. The meeting is now adjourned, and I thank both Senator Amador and Senator Comrie for being here today.
Thank you, Chairman.
Thank you, Bill.